In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create checklists repeatedly in Trello. Whether you're managing projects, planning events, or organizing tasks, Trello can become a powerful tool when you know how to efficiently replicate checklists across your boards. So let's dive in and simplify this process. First, you'll begin by logging into your Trello account. Once you're in, go to the specific card where you want to add a checklist. Trello allows you to copy a checklist from a previous card rather seamlessly. Within the card, look for the option labeled checklist. Click on it and then select copy items from. This feature is particularly useful if you frequently use the same checklist structure across multiple cards. Next, you'll need to select a previous card that already contains the checklist you want to reuse. After selecting that card, choose the exact checklist you'd like to replicate and then click on Add. Just like that, your checklist is copied over, saving you the hassle of manual entry. Moving on to a more automated approach, Trello provides a built-in tool known as Trello Butler. Butler offers automation features that can help you automatically add checklists to cards as they are created or when specific events occur. To take advantage of this, navigate to the top of your Trello board and click on Automation. From there, select Rules. This is where you'll customize the automation to fit your needs. Let's talk about setting up your trigger. A trigger is an event that prompts the automation to occur. For example, you might want the checklist to be added each time a new card is created on a specific board. Identifying the right trigger is crucial because it determines when and how your checklist will be added. Once your trigger is set, you need to define the action that follows. In our case, you want to add checklist. This action tells Trello what to do when your trigger event occurs. After setting up both the trigger and the action, it's time to give your rule a name. This is especially helpful if you decide to create multiple rules in the future. A clear and descriptive name ensures you can easily identify what each rule does at a glance. Don't forget to save your rule, marking the completion of the setup process. Using these methods, both manual checklist copying and automation with Trello Butler, you can effectively streamline your workflow, ensuring your checklists are in place with minimal effort. With practice, you'll find your Trello boards not only easier to manage, but also more organized, ultimately contributing to enhanced productivity in your projects.